Hello everyone. Today in this small video I will recite and explain you the poem The Raindrops. This poem is written by J.E. Browning. Here comes the poem. This is a cute little poem for the kids, as we can feel how a rainy day can limit the fun and play of small kids. First of all, let me recite the poem for you. Here comes the poem. Oh, where do you come from, you little drops of rain? Pitter patter down the window pane. They won't let me walk and they won't let me play, and they won't let me go out of doors all today. They put away my playthings because I broke them all. And then they locked up all my bricks and took away my ball. They say I am very naughty, but I have nothing else to do but sit here at the window. I should like to play with you. When we talk about poems, there are small parts in the poem. You can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 parts in the poem. These small parts are known as stanzas. Okay? So in the first stanza, the poet is wondering from where the rain comes, making the pitter-patter sound that touch the window. In the second stanza, he is complaining of his disability to play, walk and to move outside for the whole day, as because of rain. He is not at all happy at that moment. Now let me focus in one thing. Here the word day, T-H-E-Y. Okay? This word day tells us about what? It tells us about raindrops. Now, in the last 2 stanzas, the little boy thinks that the rain is pouring the whole day as a punishment for him, preventing him from playing and going outside, as because everyone says that he is very naughty. For that, he is sitting near the window looking outside as he wants to play in the rain. You can see in the picture, just see how the little boy is standing near the window and looking outside just to play in the rain. So this is all about the small poem where the rain disturbs the boy in his playing. Now your work is to learn the poem properly. See where the commas are given, question marks are given, where to start from the capital letter, and practice it nicely at your home. Thank you so much.